So here we are, we're at a house. This is an irrigation call. We have a house with 4 zones. One zone, they're saying that they have a lot less pressure. We dialed up the solenoid. Again, there seems to be nothing there, so we're considering that we have a break from the solenoid to these lines, possibly under the grassy area, possibly under the concrete. We're going to show you how we're going to locate the line. We're going to pressure it up. We're going to listen. We're going to find this leak. Check it out. So out of the 4 zones, this is the one zone. Again, we have very, very low pressure. It's not pushing out a lot of water. So we know that we have a leak between the solenoid over there and this zone over here. We're going to show you how we cap them off. We're going to pressure up. We're going to locate the line. Then we're going to show you exactly where the leak is. Take a look. So we're going to screw off the heads that are on that zone. And what we're going to do here is we're going to use these 1/2-inch standpipes that we have pre-made that we keep in our bag. We put them on snug with Teflon tape and tighten them up. So considering this was the last head on the unit, this one's the furthest away from that one over there. We're going to hook up our standpipe, we're going to hook up our PG2, and we're going to locate this line using the pressure from the irrigation system itself. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to break out the PG2 and we're going to hook it up to the standpipe that we built. Again, this is the furthest head from the actual solenoid valve. We're going to hook up our waste hose to keep the water away from the work, turn on the PG2, and this is what we're going to create that tapping in that line. Next thing, he's going to use the soil probe and we're going to listen in the grassy areas. This has the point on it so that we could penetrate and listen for that particular heartbeat that we're listening for. Next, we're going to put it on our listening disc and we're going to listen underneath this concrete. This is what it's going to look like when you're looking at your meter, and it's going to sound just like that heartbeat. We're going to straddle the line, keep moving, and we're going to keep marking it as we go so we know where it is when we start our leak detection portion of this job. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to hook up our pressure rig with air and water. And what we're going to do is give it very small taps of air and water to create a very distinct boil in that pipe. We're going to listen for that boil. Now that we know where the line is, it's easier to listen to one particular area. He located the leak right here. We're going to mark it out. We turned this job into a repair. Here's where we dug it up, and that's how we got it done. That's how we got this leak detection done on this irrigation system. We're going to turn this one into an actual repair. For more information, visit Leaktronics.com and always check out our videos on our YouTube channel.